Hello and welcome to this video on adding and subtracting negative numbers. To be able to do this topic, you need to have a really good understanding of the number line, which you can see in front of you here. So in the middle is 0, and the numbers to the right are positive, and the numbers to the left are negative. You can see that the negative numbers have a minus sign in front of them, whereas the positive numbers have no sign in front of them, but they could have a plus sign in front of them, but generally if there is no sign in front of a number, it indicates that it is positive. The number line from 0 to the right is increasing in value. In other words, 15 has a greater value than 1. But in the negatives, the opposite is true. So you decrease in value as you're going this way. So minus 15 has a lower value than minus 1. Probably the easiest thing to think about in terms of negative numbers is temperature. So you can see here on this arrow that as we're going this way, we're getting colder. So minus 15, as we said before, has a lower value than minus 1. If you think about it in temperature, minus 15 is a lot colder than minus 1. Whereas if we think on this side, 15 degrees would be much warmer than 1 degree. So it's like a mirror image. They're like a mirror image of each other. So that's the number line. Example number 1 says work out 3 minus 5. So what do we do here? Well, the number 3 here is positive. Remember, if it doesn't have a sign in front of it, it generally means it is positive. So that means that we start at positive 3, which you can see here on the number line. And if we are minusing 5 or subtracting 5, you can see this arrow here indicates that we go to the left. So I'm going to go to the left 5 jumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I get to minus 2. So minus 2 is my answer. Example 2. Work out minus 4 plus 5. So I'm going to go to minus 4 on the number line. I'm going to add 5. And adding, we go to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I end up at positive 1, but I can just write it as 1 like that. You don't need to put the plus sign in front of it, but you can if you want to. Example number 3, work out 6 minus 10. Well, this is a positive number, so I'm going to find plus 6 on the number line, which is here, and I'm going to subtract 10. Subtracting means going to the left, so if I subtract 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I get to minus 4 on the number line. Example 4, minus 9 plus 12. So find minus 9 on the number line. And if we're adding, we're going to the right. And if we add 12, you go all the way up to positive 3. Or just 3. Example 5, minus 10 plus 6. So minus 10, if I'm adding 6, I'm going to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 takes me to minus 4. So minus 4 is my answer. Example 6, minus 2 minus 7. So find minus 2 here. Subtracting means I'm going to the left. So I'm going to do 7 jumps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gets me to minus 9 on the number line. So minus 9 is my answer. Okay, here are some questions for you to have a go at. So get some paper, pause the video, have a go at these, and restart the video to see the answers. And here are the answers. Very well done for having a go at those.